Every developer has that moment, staring at yet another tutorial, hoping this one will finally make everything click. But deep down, you know the truth. You're not stuck because you lack knowledge. You're stuck because you haven't started building. Tutorials give you answers. Projects give you experience. The moment you open your own project, that's when learning stops being passive and becomes real. You don't need perfect knowledge. You need the first line of code. You'll fumble, you'll Google, you'll break things. And that's exactly how developers are made. Momentum doesn't come from confidence. Confidence comes from momentum. Once you push through the first block, motivation doesn't have to be forced and it starts to flow. Your future as a developer isn't built by the videos you watch, but by the projects you dare to create. Close the tutorial, open your project, build your momentum. Your career starts with a click, not a lesson,